Our knees are true marvels of nature. They carry us every day, allow us to run, jump, dance, and even sit comfortably on the couch. But for them to keep fulfilling this role for as long as possible, they need one essential element: healthy cartilage. This acts as a shock absorber between the bones and ensures smooth movement. But which nutrient is especially important for protecting this cartilage? The answer is simple: magnesium. In this video, we'll see why it's the secret hero of your knees, how it works, and how to get the most benefit from it. First, magnesium. The key to protecting cartilage. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for the health of the entire musculoskeletal system. It regulates the functioning of muscles and nerves, strengthens bones, and plays a crucial role in the formation and maintenance of cartilage. In cases of deficiency, joint inflammation can increase and, in the long term, lead to cartilage degradation. Moreover, magnesium regulates calcium metabolism. It's only when both are in balance that cartilage remains flexible and resilient. Second, the right dose makes all the difference. The German Nutrition Society recommends a daily intake of 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium for adults. Athletes or people under intense stress need more, as some magnesium is lost through sweating. A balanced diet generally meets these needs, but deficiency can easily occur. The most common signs are muscle cramps, fatigue, and joint pain.